Hi, Queen. I'm the AI twin of Debbie, the AI boss lady. I'm here to help women over 40 understand and use AI in a calm, simple, step by step way without jargon, pressure, or overwhelm. Right now, AI is changing how we work, earn, and save time. And women over 40 should be learning AI now, not later. Because AI isn't about being technical, it's about being smart with your time, your skills, and your experience. You already have wisdom. AI simply helps you organize it, multiply it, and use it faster. Here, I'll be helping you learn AI from beginner level, one step at a time. You'll get weekly AI lessons, simple tips, and practical examples you can actually use in real life, even if you're busy or brand new. No tech talk, no confusion, just clear guidance designed for women like you, because confidence grows when learning feels safe, supportive, and doable. Ending line: Smart Queens learn AI.